Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the JMMB service center that's being built on Hope Road, right across from Sovereign. To the right, that building is actually the Sovereign Plaza. We're actually in the Sovereign Plaza and we're making the video from here. So that is a new building that JMMB is building. It's going to be their commercial center, and the address is the corner of Hope Road and Ligani Avenue. We're going to show you a picture of the finished building soon, of what it will look like when it's finished. Now, it's going to be 4 floors, so by today's standard, it's a small building. But this building will just be for their operation. It's not where you're going to be like renting out space to call centers or anything like that. So we're just giving you a quick update to see what's going on with the building. It looks like it might finish later this year. It has come a far way. And JMMB is they are a commercial bank now, but they are started out as an investment firm, and then they got a commercial bank license, and so they operate as JMMB Bank and JMMB Investments. Very, very well run, very profitable institution in Jamaica. They're up there with banks like NCB and BNS. And we, as I said at the beginning, we're in Sovereign. We have a lot of videos up touring the Sovereign Plaza. It's one of the most popular plazas in Jamaica. And I think it's probably the largest one in Kingston. I think only the plazas in Halfway Tree, like Tropical Plaza or Mall Plaza, or the Boulevard Supercenter, have more traffic than Sovereign. Sovereign actually has a movie theater over there. It has everything you need for a successful plaza. It has a supermarket, it has food stores, and it's built in a populated area. Okay, so this is what the building is going to look like when it's finished. Very nice structure. Not sure how the parking is going to work because it's a small area, but we'll see. Alright, so there you can see the picture of the building. We are now going on to Hope Road and heading towards, okay, that's another view of the building. We're on Hope Road heading towards Halfway Tree. Alright guys, we'll keep you guys updated on this project and all the major construction projects. We give you updates every 2 weeks, so remember to like, share, and subscribe. And also leave your comments in the section below. We actually just passed 5,000 subscribers, and one of the reasons why this channel is growing so quickly is because of the feedback we get from you subscribers and the viewers, because you tell us how to improve the channel and we have done it. You tell us what videos you want to see and we make them. So keep the feedback coming, and anything you see that we can improve on with the channel, let us know and we'll do it. And also, if there's any video you want, as you can see from watching the channel, we go all around the island. So if there's any video that you want, just send us a message and we'll do it when possible. All right, guys, have a good day.